Hi, one of big companies contacted me recently asking if I'd be interested in testing their new CrowPanel Advance 7. I thought, why not, especially since they send it to me at no cost. In the package there is of course CrowPanel Advance 7, USB cable and the pond cable. I figured I start with something simple, so I turned it into a digital photo frame. The photo quality is excellent and it's a great first use for this versatile little device. Okay, after connecting the power supply we see something like this. This is just a demo, but it gives a good idea of how it can be used. You can display graphs, check parameters. Of course you can use it to control other devices, but more on that another time. So, we have a good touch screen, 2 UART out interface and 1 in. UART, which stands for Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter, is a hardware communication protocol that enables serial data exchange between devices. It's a simple two-wire system used for point-to-point communication. Inter-integrated circuit. It's a serial communication protocol used for short-distance communication between multiple electronic devices. Speaker interface and of course USB-C interface and slot for SD card. And you can't see it here, but the panel has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can also add Zigbee, LoRa and others. If you are interested, the full specification can be found on Elecrow.com. In my next video I will be building an intelligent AI assistant using this panel, but now we will start by building photo frame. Stay tuned to see how I build it. Okay, so I started by visiting the Arduino website and downloading the Arduino IDE. Download. Choose your system. Here you can support the creators. After downloading, open the file and install it. Okay, I will speed up the recording. Okay, finish and install the device software. File preferences, and here in additional boards manager URLs you should add something like this. Full link you can find in the description. Tools, boards manager. Now you should install ESP32. Okay, I will speed up the recording. If you connected the CrowPanel to USB, but you don't see the new COM port, you need to add it. I just opened Device Manager, Other Devices, USB Serial, and Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Okay. COM5. And you should see your new COM port here. Okay, now I open my photo frame project. As you can see, a lot of code. One of the most important thing is this declaration of pins regarding the SD card. Sometimes it needs to be modified based on the specific board's diagram. Here is the file paths for the BMP images. Basically, I download the project from the Elecrow repository on the GitHub and modified it a bit. So I won't describe the entire code here. If you are interested, you can just take a look there. The main point is that after a little configuration you can simply send the code to the device and have a ready-made product. It can be that simple. You don't need to connect anything else. Everything is inside the CrowPanel. And in tools, I choose serial port COM5, board ESP32, ESP32S3 dev module. I change upload speed, partition scheme, huge app, 3 MB, PSRAM, OPI PSRAM, and yeah, That's all. Okay, so now that everything is ready and the CrowPanel is connected via USB, I can upload it. In the meantime, I printed a stand for the display. This will take a while, so I will speed up the recording. Okay, and on the screen you should see something like this. As you can see, the colors are very good and it has wide viewing angle. Once I've uploaded the code, it will display image each time it's launched. So you can, for example, connect it to a power bank and present it somewhere when you don't have access to the electricity. As you can see, it's quite simple. You create a code or choose ready-made solution. You can modify the code or not and just send it. Yep, that's all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.